What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? I have an interesting pair to unbox today for you and your YouTube viewing pleasure. Thank you to everyone who is subscribed and watching this. To all of you who aren't subscribed, which is probably the majority of you, please, it would be so very nice of you. Kind of a holiday gift to me to just slide your thumb over and click it. Mouse, thumb, finger, pointer finger. Takes half a second. It's free, and it would make my day. So thank you. And let's see what we got here. During, excuse me, got a cold, the pandemic, house footwear, foot attire, well, I mean, house attire in general became much more of a thing. Not really a fashion, I mean, I guess so. You want to feel good, look good, even in your home. But definitely cozy attire and footwear, working from home, living at home became a thing. And so we continue. We are still here. Some of us still work from home. And, I think everyone thinks more about what they're wearing in their house nowadays. And with that, we have the Adidas Adilette 22 in Magic Lime colorway, size 12. I always go half size up. I'm 11 and a half. I always go half size up when I don't know the size. Sometimes most of the time that works out. Sometimes bites you a little bit. But let's see what we got here. Pull these out of a giant box from Adidas that says please tamper with me. And now let's open these. I got these off the Adidas website or app. These, if you recall, when they came out, there was a lot of buzz about them. They were well received, but there was definitely comparisons made to the Yeezy slides, and I don't think Kanye appreciated them. But I thought, this is not just me ragging on Kanye, but I did think these were like different enough, like from his. Like, what do you does he have the trademark on? The patent on all slides? No. And I mean, maybe you could be mad if it's like if you're signed to a major deal and then the company's cannibalizing your product by putting out something sort of similar. But I felt the design on these this is a terrible unboxing. This whole channel is based upon unboxings, and I am having a very difficult time about this. I'm sure some of you are screaming at me right now. I figured it out though. It's like a puzzle, a little bonus with your product that you purchased, figuring out how to open it. There we go. I'm an expert unboxer, don't worry. Hopefully no one had a stroke watching me try to do this. I always find it interesting that they include the hang tag, I guess for retailers, maybe you at home, but retailers, if they want to display these, they can hang them on a display rack, or again, maybe us at home they're meant for. But anyways, I will not be displaying them like a store. So here we go. Got your Adidas tissue paper. And, ooh, I don't think I've held these in hand yet. And these are super interesting. I don't know of a better word. I use super interesting, the phrase, a lot. Apologize. I don't know what else to say in this moment, because that's exactly what these are. I mean, look at those. How else would you describe these? I mean, they have that 3D printed look to them. I read on the website their description. Their description has like, what would slides look like in space? Taken inspiration from Mars and like manned mission to Mars and the topography of Mars. So that's kind of, I think, some of the design inspiration. Definitely, I know these, yes. In it being one foam piece, for sure, Yeezy slide DNA is in here. But sometimes when brands cannibalize, do a knockoff takedown version of a higher selling, harder to get, more limited pair, it is a little bit more one-to-one, I would say. And this, although the shape is kind of similar, I think this whole very, design forward look sets it apart enough from the slides. The slides have the deep grooves. The Yeezy slides have the deep grooves in the bottom, the smooth, obviously surface, and this is the super textured, completely opposite. So as far as shape is concerned, similar, but again, missing the grooves, and then the texture on the outside is definitely different. So I can see where there's an argument that these are like Adidas Yeezy slides, but I think they did just enough to separate themselves from them. So that's my 2 cents on the matter. But I think these are a great alternative to Yeezy slides, which cost a lot and are, you know, Yeezys. Which, if you don't want to have anything to do with that right now, these look sick. Let's try them on. Now, I have a variety of footwear. Someday I should do a comparison video. Right now I'm wearing these Arizona Shearling Birkenstocks, and these have grown on me a lot. I did an unboxing of these, had to figure out the sizing. I think I still went a little too big, but as my foot has formed to them, I've really liked them. So I need to do a review on these because I did an unboxing. But so we have those. I brought the Stussy slides out, Nike Stussy slides out for comparison, similar colors. And we got the Adidas, or not the Adidas, sorry, the Salehi Bembury Pollux Crocs. Haven't worn these, did an unboxing of these, but have not worn these enough to give a true judgment call on them. Yeah, but as you can see, you have a variety of fire footwear for the home, for entertaining, for going to get coffee, getting the mail, taking out the trash. Yeah. So let's slide these footsies in. So we'll maybe you'll maybe get feet pics, because like I think that's the thing. Remember back in the day, the Adidas slides with the bumps, all the dimpled bumps that came up. They were big for soccer players in the like late 90s, early 2000s. Those things were not comfortable. Notice why they don't really make those anymore, except like once in a while it's a little nostalgia bump to sales, but like those were not comfortable. So I'm wondering what these feel like on the feet. Initial impressions with the socks, these feel fine. And initial impressions on sizing, I think going half size up was safe. I wonder about these. Just go full sizes. That's the problem. A lot of slides and sandal footwear, a similar thing. They only go full size differences. So I just be hesitant and leery to get, you know, an 11 if I'm an 11 and a half. I'd rather deal with too much room than too little on sandals and slides, personally. Let's stand up here, see what they kind of look like, or what they feel like standing up. Yeah, these feel nice. I like these. So I got this color. I do like this color, but they're currently on Adidas website. There's 4 colorways. A darker beige sand color, a little hint of yellow or brown in it, and then a lighter pair, tan, skin tone color. And then there's also a carbon, kind of like this, maybe a little bit more gray. And then there's this color, the Magic Lime. This one, there's the most sizes available. The other sizes, it varies. Some, there's very few sizes available. There's like the small sizes. Others, there's a few more. But this one had the most amount of sizing and for the big footers. So that's why I got these. I didn't really have a choice in the matter, but I'm not mad about it. I like this color. I think it goes fine it goes with a lot of stuff. I'm going to mainly be wearing these in home, so it really doesn't matter to me, color on these. I can even wear these with some Nike socks in the house. My OCD probably won't let me, but, you know, when you're just wearing things in the home, you know, you can go crazy. Yeah, I like these. I've gotten a lot of use out of these too, and both are great. Both are great. I'll get back to you on the Crocs at some point. Maybe make a wear review video. But these, I gotta say, are nice. Okay. This is what you've all been waiting for. Some feet pics. Let's do an unveiling. Everyone subscribe, please. You're getting this for free. No monthly subscription, no tipping. You're just getting this for absolute free. You even get some sock fuzz on there. And, you know, to be honest, for a dude, I have well-groomed feet. No, I do not get pedicures, but, you know, I'm not gross either, so there you go. It feels kind of nice on the feet. So first initial impressions, not bad. Not bad at all. Kind of, you know, okay, not cozy, but feels nice, actually. So I don't know if I can give these a rating yet. I'm not going to give sandals a rating like I do sneakers. But these feel nice. I like them. I'm glad with the purchase. These were $55 retail, so not cheap by any means, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger because I know these are somewhat popular. So I didn't want to like wait for sales or discount codes. I wanted to get these, do a review for you guys, let you know what I think. And then, like I said, there are some sizes available. You'll have more success if you're smaller foot or getting these for someone with small feet. Big sizes, you're kind of limited, I think, as of now until they restock to this color. So I'm not mad about these. I like the way they look. I like the feel. I would recommend. 55 is a little expensive for some house shoes. Hopefully these last, you know, if you're just wearing them around the house, they should last you a while. I can't see these wearing down too much unless you're like doing errands in them, getting coffee every day and walking a few blocks every day. If you wear them a ton, just like anything, you know, I don't wear these a ton, but like they get dirty. You can see there's wear on them. So yeah, there you have it. More low heat coming up soon. Appreciate all you watching this video. Let me know in the comments what you think about these, the other colorways. If you're still rocking easy slides, what's your house slipper, clog, shoe, mule of choice? I got to slow down on the house slippers and sandals. I need some outdoor ones to rock outdoors, I think. I have some rainbows for rocking outdoors, and those are fine. Rainbow sandal thongs. Those are fine. I need some more exposed toe footwear for outside. All of this stuff I like to keep indoors. Even the Crocs, I don't think I'm going to be wearing too much outside. So we'll have to come to that. Oh, I did the ACG Deschutes sandals video. Those I do wear outdoors. Those I do like. Check out that unboxing. I did a quick 1-minute short review, wear review on those two from when I was out camping at Kings Canyon National Park. So that's some outdoor footwear that I can endorse. The Nike ACG Air Deschutes. Oh, I forgot. I kept only mentioning these in the context of house shoes. These, in putting these on right now, these would also make great pool shoes. I think that's, you know, kind of one of their intended purposes. Or after, you know, after you're done with a sport or at the gym, take off your sneakers, slide these on. I think these make for a great pair of pool shoes or after workout or to and from the gym, to and from practice slides. So I think that, you know, a lot of you know this, but I just forgot to mention. I kept talking about these in home sandals context. I think these would make great pool shoes. Not like, oh, are they super grippy? No, not necessarily. But they just feel really good on your bare feet. And I just, you know, I do think these look great, right? I think it's a cool design here. That I really like the design, to be honest. Very futuristic. That was the goal. That was the intention. And they knocked it out of the park there. And got the logo on the bottom. So yeah, great pool shoes. I would be wearing these poolside. Catch me with a cocktail, umbrella drink, sitting on one in a cabana. Yeah, these will what I'll be wearing. The beach, I'll rather wear my, like, I think rainbow sandals to the beach, but or if I don't have any Havaianas, but like these though, pool for sure.